one's gotta know. Knocking at your door, I don't gotta work anymore. You can't get enough. Girl, you know I set it up for after dark. Late night, like left eye, I'm creeping, assuming the worst, cause I haven't heard from you all weekend. Your silence is driving me up the wall. I cannot tell.
Fly with the stars in the skies. I am no longer trying to survive. I believe that life is a prize, but to live doesn't mean you're alive. Don't worry about me and who I fire. I get what I desire, it's my empire. And yes, I call the shots, I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon the vampire. In this very moment I'm king. In this very moment I slay Goliath with the sling. This very moment I put it on everything, that I will retire with the ring.
It starts with
one thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind, I'm designed to explain in due time. All I know, time is a valuable thing. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count